Hello AAAers, welcome back to our family's channel AAA Random Vlogs. To those who already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much, and to those who haven't already done so, please click or tap on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well so that you'll get notified every time we upload another helpful tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you another legit paying application. It pays via PayPal, by the way, so you gotta have a PayPal account. The app that I'm talking about here is no other than Clipclaps. So Clipclaps is a free app for iOS and Android devices and is found in the Play Store or Apple Store. You just need to search for it and download it. This is an entertaining app that helps you earn a passive income while having fun on your mobile device. You'll have hours of entertainment, watching the funniest videos or playing games while you earn money anytime, anywhere. So this is where you will find, or you can find, Clipclaps application. You just need to search on it in your Play Store. There. It shows right away. So I already downloaded the app and I have been using it for 2 weeks now, or a week or so. And you just need to open it. So this is how you use Clipclaps. So as you can see, I already have earnings. Here I have 3.43 US dollars, but of course I'm not gonna withdraw that yet. I'm waiting for it to be $10 or more so that I can withdraw in PayPal. So this is where you earn chests, reward chests. You need to view or keep on watching the videos available, and then the load bar for the rewards chest will keep on moving until you reach this part here, the chest. So I'll just show you. I'll keep on watching the videos and then let's wait for the chest to finish loading. If you like the videos, you can clap on it. Just tap the clap button. There, just keep scrolling after watching one video, because if you will stop like for a few seconds, it will freeze like that. I stopped scrolling, so after a few seconds it will freeze. I'll show you, hold on. There, it will turn blue, and then there, it's frozen already. See? So if you want, keep on scrolling. There. So right now I'm showing you how to earn free chests, free rewards chests. Almost there, and there. Our reward chest. So once you have the chest already, just click on the rewards button. Oh, I have a spin one spin available on the lucky spin, so I'm gonna use that. By the way, you can access Mega Spin, this one, if you have invites. There, $0.01 from Lucky Spin. So I already have 3.44 US dollars. Now go back to the chest. It says you can withdraw now, but no, I'm not gonna withdraw yet. I want that to be $10 or more. So let's just disregard that notification and open chest. There. By the way, you can use your clap coins to buy 10 silver chests or 10 gold chests, depending on your amount of clap coins, of course. And you can have lots of, or you can achieve these raffle entries. Hold on. If you open chests. So again, you can open or you can have chests if you watch the videos here or you buy chests using your clap coins. Alright. So I'll show you the games that I'm playing. By the way, I don't play this one because I don't know how to play that. I just play Coin Cat and sometimes this one, and I have Aquarium. So let's see Coin Cat. You need to click on this. Keep on tapping that so that you will have meow coins. You can boost your cats here so you can double the revenue. There. And of course, if you log in every day, you'll have daily bonus, daily quest, daily sign-in, rewards, and turntable. There, I already used that. Turntables, I don't have fishes anymore. Daily sign-in, I already received everything, and daily quest. I have one unfinished task, this one, because the cats are already expensive. I cannot afford them. That's why I'm boosting them so that I can afford one cat. And of course, if you're already on a higher level, you will have special cats. How to get special cats: merge 2 level 37 cats and earn a chance to receive. Hold on, there's a chest that's floating. I need to click on that. There. So merge 2 level 37 cats and earn a chance to receive this one. Small meow coin cat. The effect, receive 10 hours worth of meow coins after selling. Big meow coin cat. Receive 20 hours worth of meow coins after selling. Small clap coin cat. Receive 3,000 clap coins after selling. Done. Big clap coin cat. Receive 10,000 clap coins after selling. Small USD cat. Receive $0.01 US dollars after selling. And the big USD cat. Receive 0.20 US dollars after selling. So you can get all of those after you reach level 37, and as you can see, I'm still at level 32. So next is the Clipclaps Aquarium. I'm gonna make this quick because my baby's awake already. So we just need to keep on feeding the fishes here so that you can earn clap coins, and of course your fishes will grow bigger and will become more expensive each day. As you can see, my goldfish is already $0.47, but I'm not gonna sell that yet. Alright, so since my baby is crying already, I'll just leave my clap code here. You can add me as a friend or whatnot. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Please feel free to leave your clap codes or redeem codes in the comment section so that we will be able to help other clip clappers who wants to earn automatic $1. Thank you, triple A'ers, and keep safe. Bye.